Hi everyone, my name is Olivia Kays and I am enrolled in Computers and Business 2100. The dataset I've provided exemplifies my BizCafe results regarding my coffee company, The Coffee Cup. This unique assignment was a useful testament of how to run and record data for a business. It required us to learn about different types of graphs and how to construct them through Tableau. My first sheet, Net Income versus Revenue, shows the weekly incline of my results for my cafe. As you can see, the red line represents the revenue, while the gray line represents the net income. And each week it goes up a little bit, so I started at negative 2,749, and my revenue was 4,684, and I ended at, for net income, 44,161, and for my revenue was 177,531. Moving on to sheet 2, shows a bar graph representing the revenue of my cups sold per week. As you can see, my revenue has increased from $1,000 at week 1 to $4,490 at week 13. So it went at a steep incline in the beginning, went down a little bit at around week 7, and ended up going right back up at week 13. So the bars are basically the cups sold, and then the red line is the weeks. Okay. The next sheet represents my sales versus my competitors' sales. I chose companies that were closely above me and below me for diversity. My company is in 8th place, while my competitors are in 7th, 9th, 6th, and 15th. This sheet highlights our increase in revenue per week. So on the side it says Cafe Del Mundo is in 15th, Coffee Express is in 9th, Love Star Cafe is in 6th, OK Champ Coffee is in 7th, and I'm in 8th. So we're all pretty close on the rankings, and my company is the red line, so we didn't end up with the highest revenue, but we're pretty much in the middle. So lastly, this is my dashboard organizing all of my visuals and data. So it has the revenue in the top corner, at the bottom is the cup sold, and on the side is my competitors. So overall, my group did pretty well this semester, and this Tableau project did a good job of capturing our successes. Some insights I found while navigating Tableau is the convenience and organization of being able to quickly form graphs by the click of a button. I admire how you can go back and forth between graphs and bring them all together on a dashboard. And as you can see, I brought all of my data here on this dashboard so I can easily see my cups sold, the weeks through the semester, and my competitors' sales as well. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.